Hey there, YouTube. Today we got a pretty good video here, good unboxing of my new to me Peppermint Snowwoman with the hair. She came from the UK in 2 days, surprisingly. I don't know how, but that's impressive to say the least. I think with this one, we'll go with the rainbow knife. Why not, right? Let's crack her open here. I'm still impressed though. That's like Amazon shipping time from like a local warehouse or whatever you want to call those Amazon places from the UK to here. And I'm in Michigan. That's all I'm gonna say. That's as far as I'll tell you. It's a weird box. Not really sure where to cut it at. It's one thing with all these items, you never know how they're boxed. It's boxes on boxes and stuff because they're strange sizes, and they don't really make boxes the size of them besides their own box. It's just a little weird. Now what? Oh my gosh, I don't understand. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's a box in a box. More tape over here to cut. And sorry, it's a little hard to figure out the packaging here. That box. Alright. Can you still see? Hopefully. I cut this tape here, I guess, and that tape there. And I'll just be quiet now. I'm just saying random stuff. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna set her up to the side for now. I'm not gonna open her fully. I'm just gonna get these boxes out of the way. They're kind of big and bulky. Oh, and she's taped to the tape. There we go. Alright, feels like that's the base there. Oh, you can kind of see her right there. Sorry, I'm moving the other box here. I don't want to cut too far in. Cut her. Alright. Slide her back. I don't know if you can see her. Let me aim the camera up a little bit here. There we go. That should be about right. We'll grab her from the base here, pull her out, set her down. Oh, wow. Nothing seems to be broken. Well, legs or boots or hip levers or nothing. I don't know about the candy cane umbrella arm, but we'll see. Yeah, it's broken. Split gear, most likely. That works. Yeah, it's definitely a split gear in there. Oh well. See if she's got batteries. Yeah, no. Oh, let's look her over real quick here. She looks to be in pretty decent shape. Under all her hair. Got a little string here from her hat. That's alright. Cut that. Yeah, that sucks, but that's whatever, I guess. Easy to fix. scarf. She's got her peppermint button there. Only one. I don't know why they didn't give her two. Or it's a belt, I guess. That's a belt. Yeah. Got her peppermints here. Look to be in good shape. Her hat. And the peppermint base here. Oops, sorry. Look on the bottom. It was missing the battery cover. That's alright with me. One of these is coming off, just a little bit of glue on there. I have extra battery covers, so I'm not worried about that. Got the demo switch. But yeah, here she is. I guess let's test her out. I know obviously that the umbrella arm's not going to work, but we'll just plug her in here. I think she's still going to be a 6-volt. Came from, yeah, the UK, or, yeah, the UK, so I don't know if their power's the same, but here we go. She's a little quiet. Looks like she needs to be used a little bit. Things are speeding up as she's getting used. But let me set her on this so it's a little bit louder. Actually, it almost like her scarf is getting hit. There we go. She is a little quiet. She might need a new speaker or something, but yeah. Let's play her one more time here. I won't talk at all this time, and I won't mess with anything. Besides, I'll just tuck this back so it's not hitting anything, if I can. I guess not. Yeah. I might have to pose her spinning arm a little bit. It seems like it's close and hitting her. Or it might be pushed in all the way with the pin, but I'll figure that out when I fix her umbrella arm here. Yeah. That's the Peppermint Snowwoman. Thanks for watching.